If you've ever wanted to supercharge the growth of your Telegram group without spending all day manually adding members, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can auto-add users to Telegram groups using Telegram Kit 2, breaking down the methods, tools, and the smart safety tips you need so you grow your community both quickly and responsibly. By the end, you'll know how to add dozens, even hundreds of targeted members in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the fastest and most effective way to add people. Using Telegram bots or automation tools. If you need to add users in bulk, this approach is the go-to method. Start off by searching for what's sometimes called a Telegram member adder. You'll find a variety of tools, and I recommend checking places like GitHub, where open-source projects pop up regularly, or the Chrome Web Store if you prefer a browser-based solution. The important thing here is to look for a tool that's well-reviewed and frequently updated. That means fewer bugs and better security. Once you've picked your tool, configuring it is the next step. You'll usually have to set it up with details of your target group and define where you want to source new members from. For example, maybe you want members with a shared interest, so you can target those already active in similar public groups, or look for people with specific keywords in their profiles. Think of this setup as programming the bot to act like a very focused recruiter, only fetching members who actually fit your group's style. Getting this part right really boosts the quality of your community. A key part of running these bots is permissions. Your chosen tool, whether it's a bot or a script, almost always needs admin rights in your target Telegram group. Why? Only admins can add new members directly. So before you launch, head into your group settings and make sure you've assigned those rights. It's a basic step, but one that trips up a lot of first-time users. Let's talk a little about how these tools actually work. In most cases, they'll scrape lists of users from other groups that you specify, or create automated invite links for users that match your criteria. Once they've gathered a pool of potential members, the bot will begin the invitation process, usually filtering out people who may not be a good fit. Imagine it as having a digital assistant who combs through huge crowds to bring you only the most interested folks. If you're not keen on automation, or if you're only adding a handful of people, another reliable method uses Telegram's invite links. In your group, tap Add Participant, then select Invite to Group via link. Telegram will generate a clean and shareable URL. Post this link in relevant channels or send directly to individuals, and anyone who clicks it can join automatically. This is a simple, effective approach for semi-automatic or purely manual growth. Speaking of manual methods, if you only need to bring in a few members, you can always search for users by username or add them straight from your contact list. This is best when you know your future members personally or want to keep your group tight-knit. Before you dive in and start adding members left and right, a few important points to remember. Mass adding strangers, especially in very large numbers, can get your account restricted or even banned by Telegram. So it's critical to use reputable, trustworthy tools and always respect platform-imposed limits. Furthermore, by targeting users with specific interests or activity levels, you not only avoid spammy additions, but actually improve your group's engagement and vibe. And as I mentioned earlier, make sure any bot or script you use has the necessary admin permissions. Otherwise, you'll be wondering why it isn't working. Alright, that covers the essential, effective ways to automatically add users to your Telegram group using Telegram Kit 2. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need more tips, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck growing your Telegram group.